We have seen how we can simplify large algebraic expressions. The first thing we have to do is group like terms. Then we solve each group. These two steps help us reduce the size of the expression. Say we have a big expression like this: 7x minus 13y plus xy plus 3 minus 17xy minus 2x plus 2y minus 2. Wow, this is big. 8 terms in all. Let's start grouping the like terms. The first term is 7x. We have 2x with a minus sign, which is a like term. That makes 7x minus 2x our first group. Now let's look at minus 13y. 2y is a like term. The next group becomes minus 13y plus 2y. We have considered these 4 terms. When you're solving such examples in your notebook, to avoid mistakes, you can strike off the terms with a pencil. The third term is xy. We have minus 17xy, which is a like term. The third group is xy minus 17xy. There are just 2 constants that remain, 3 and minus 2. The fourth group would be 3 minus 2. Once you're done, make sure you have covered each term just once. In the next step, we have to solve each group. 7x minus 2x is 5x. You need to be a little careful when negative signs are involved. Minus 13y plus 2y is minus 11y. xy minus 17xy is minus 16xy. And 3 minus 2 is 1. We have simplified an expression with 8 terms to an expression with 4 terms. Leaving your answer at this stage would not be wrong, but it is always good practice to leave the expression in the descending order of exponents. You can consider that to be your third step. How should we write this expression then? The exponent of the variable of this term as well as this term is 1. This term has 2 variables, each with an exponent 1, and that's why we can consider this term's exponent to be 2. And since the last term has no variables, its exponent is 0. Since this is the largest of the lot, we write minus 16xy first. Now we have 2 terms with the same exponent. In such cases, it's always a good idea to write the terms alphabetically. We write 5x first, and then minus 11y. And 1 would come last. Remember these 3 simple steps when you simplify an expression. Group, solve, and arrange the terms in descending order of the exponents.